Hello everyone, this is me Alizeh and I think I got everything from Kashees. I went crazy itna sara makeup dekhkar. So the first thing I bought is this. It's a gel inner eyeliner. Um, it's really good, really pigmented. You guys should look at my hand. Please ignore it because I went crazy with the makeup. And this is their face powder. I loved this when Kashi used it on me. This is their highlighter. It's so pigmented, इतना light, इतना मज़े का shiny है ये. बिल्कुल powdery नहीं लगता. And then this foundation. It's so lightweight and seamless. I guess सबको ये लेनी चाहिए. ये इनका आई शेडो है. बहुत मज़े का ग्लिटरी है. यू कैन जस्ट ग्लाइड इट ऑन योर आई एंड स्मज इट ऑफ. क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा मेकअप करती नहीं हूँ तो इसलिए ये मेरे लिए बहुत हैंडी है. दिस इज़ देयर रेड लिपस्टिक. आई थिंक रेड लिपस्टिक तो सबके पास होनी चाहिए, इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि एवरी वन शुड बाय इट. एंड आई गॉट दीज 3 शेड्स. बहुत मज़े के शेड्स हैं ये. Some of them are peachy, some of them are pink, and this one is like a maroonish brown. Loved it, bought it. Then I got their eyelash curler. जब मैंने इसको पहली दफ़ा यूज़ किया I was so shocked because मेरी आँख थोड़ी सी लंबी है और अक्सर eyelash curlers यूज़ करने से वो पूरी तरह कवर करते नहीं है eyelashes को. So this is really good. I think everyone should have it. And last but not the least, their brushes. And I'm in love with them. They are so soft. Oh my god, can't wait to try them. So these are the products अब तक जो मैंने buy किए हैं. इनकी बहुत wide range है makeup की. So at least everyone should have some of their stuff because they're so pigmented, so good. I would definitely recommend them.